this one-man repair here in Linwood, California. I got a packaged gas electric unit here, and they're not getting any cool air downstairs. It's a beauty salon, and what I'm here to do is diagnose the situation, service this unit, and have those ladies happy down there. So let's see what we're working with. Oh my God. I hit you back because I only have one hand and I got to do this using both my hands. OneManRepair.com, 213-309-5599 all day. From LA all the way to Inland Empire and everywhere in between. Compton, Watts, Linwood, Southgate, Pasadena, Altadena, Monrovia, Watts, of course. Alright, gone.